Hi, I'm Pierre-Alain Saclier, Global Sector Leader for Consumer and Retails at CEVA Logistics. Traditionally, when we are speaking about peak season, we are considering these weeks at the end of the year where the volumes are picking up by 15 to 20%. Nowadays, what we see is that there is multiple peaks that can happen during the year, which are really taking 600% more volumes for one customer specifically, or sometimes 20 to 40 tons more air cargo at the end of the year during the busiest period. So at CEVA, we have identified two different types of peaks. Structural peaks, which is the one that depends from the region of the world or, let's say, the mode of transportation. For example, if we are taking the Chinese New Year, it has an impact on air and ocean business where, let's say, during several weeks or even months, we see the volumes picking up. If we are speaking about Europe, it's much more linked to warehousing or transportation, and that is taking place more around Christmas and in Easter. Then there is another type of small peaks, which is peaks during 1 or 2 days, linked to events like Black Friday, where for warehousing activities, we need to serve more than 100 persons more in order to keep the customer happy with a delivery in 48 or 24 hours. The second are situational peaks, caused by events that we cannot predict. That can be a political decision, extreme weather condition, or sometimes some shift in customer demand. So for structural peaks, we can still model and plan. These are fixed in the calendar, so they are permanent. Unless we forget about Christmas, which I don't think it will happen before I die. But for situational peaks, we have to become much more agile. For example, we are working with our AI factory and also some partners like Google in order to test new predictive models, bringing together real-time booking trends, new economical data, customer signals. That is what we call responsive logistics. Being more proactive when we can be, and also much more reactive where we need to. So responsive logistics look like the ability to switch mode, reroute operation, and also scale capabilities in real time. We use tools like chrono trucks for emergency ground capacity and also maintain 24-hour time-critical desk for air cargo crisis. If a port is congested or an airport closed, or as an example, floods hit a region like in Spain recently, we can reroute operation within hours. We offer through multimodal flexibility, ocean, air, road, rail, or combination. As an example, for Silk Road, we are, let's say, trucking some goods from China to Kazakhstan and then fly them to Europe. That saves a lot of time and also reduce carbon footprint compared to a pure air freight movement. In today's volatile market, even well-prepared companies can face sudden demand spike. When that happens, they need immediate solution, and we need to be ready. CEVA, global footprint across every transport mode, means when one route fails, we are ready to execute alternatives. We balance speed, cost, and sustainability to ensure we are offering customers the smartest, most responsible option, whatever happens. Logistics has always been about readiness. That is what we deliver.